Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to hide your WhatsApp profile picture from specific people while still allowing everyone else you choose to see it. This is a very useful privacy feature if you want more control over who can view your profile photo on WhatsApp. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open WhatsApp on your device. Now, tap on the Settings option in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, select Privacy and then tap on Profile Photo. Here you'll see several privacy options. To hide your profile picture from specific contacts, tap on My Contacts Accept. Now simply select the people you don't want to see your profile photo. Once you've chosen the contacts, tap Done to save your changes. That's it! Your profile picture will now be hidden from the selected people while remaining visible to everyone else you've allowed.